Hello, hello, Jelly Creates here. I did a thing today. I finally was able to purchase a Happy Planner Micro that I so love. And here is my setup. This is going to be my pocketbook planner. I changed the rings and I just added a whole bunch of fun things. So here we go. This is a dollar spot pocket that I cut so it can fit, and I added a laminated die cut from Jelly Creates shop. This is also a laminated die cut from my shop. This is just a note card that I was able to punch with the Happy Planner punch, and then I added a sticker to the back. This is from Nubian Girl on Instagram. This is already a Happy Planner little tab that hold Post-it notes. This I created. I watched a video from Piece of Plans. She has a DIY showing you how to make these super cute dashboards or dividers using your laminator and laminating paper. So I love it. Love how it came out. This doll was from a old shop. I've been hoarding this for years now. The shop name is Paper Dolls, I believe. I don't think she has a shop anymore, but my plan for this section is to put pictures. So that's why she has a camera and it has memories. And here's another little note card with a pocket on the back. And then I just love this. This is another note card, and it says, "Tips from a pineapple: stand tall, wear a crown, and stay sweet on the inside." And on this side, I also put another dollar spot to just add little stickers. So when I need a little sticker, it's already, I'll have a few in my planner. These pages will be the pages I will add pictures to, because again, this is my memories section. So there'll be pictures here eventually, and I'll do an update when I do that. This section is my Get It Done section. And again, I used the tutorial from Piece of Plans. She's very inspirational. And this says, "Life was meant for good friends and great adventures." And so this section is going to be my calendar. I was able to download a printable calendar from Annie Plans. This is my September setup for that with my Capital Chic Design sticker. This is one of my favorites. So what I'm doing with this planner is all my little itty bitty stickers that I never get to use, I can finally use them. And then stickers that I've been hoarding. So this is another one from Capital Chic Designs that I've been hoarding. I love this roller skating girl. I don't even think she's in the shop anymore. And I'm glad to be able to be using her in here, because it's just one of those stickers that I want to keep seeing over and over again. So that's pretty cool. So the next section is my credit cards and my bank cards and my ID. So my ID is in here. This little doll that's hiding my private information is from Mommy Lay. She was gifted to me by LaQuisha, because I had mentioned to her that I love this set because it just reminds me of Panama, and I love her poncho, and I'm a Panama girl. And it's so funny because I have these big braids in my hair today. And this is another Mommy Lay hiding my private information, and I just stuck them in. Well, let's talk about this. This is a pocket, a photo pocket from the Happy Planner. It's for the standard size, and I cut it down and added some washi tape to seal the sides, and this way it was able to become a pocket. So that's what I did for that. And I did more than one. I think I have 2 of these in here. This is the section for my credit cards, and this is actually a note card that I added a dollar spot stickers to. Again, I had to cut them down, so I added washi to seal the sides. This is a magnet doll from my shop, just to hide my information, and she's just super cute. This is another one of those pockets that I've sealed. And this is where my reward cards are and my medical doctor's cards are. And this is another Mommy Lay die cut. So I went through my stash of all my little cutesy things that I just don't ever want to use, that I've been hoarding. I have a little box of things that are like my favorite little things, and that's what I've been using in here. These are my rewards cards. I just basically they already have a hole, keyhole, and I take the scissors and I add 2 cuts to it so that they can fit. And they're there. This is another dashboard divider that I made using the DIY video. There was another young lady who had a good DIY. The Paper Pen Girl also had a good DIY on using your laminator for dividers and page markers. So this is another one. I've been watching videos all day. This is Capital Chic Design. This is one of my favorite stickers that I ended up laminating because, yeah, it's just my fave. Slay. And that's just something cute. So this is just my book that I can just keep all my cute things in. So the section we just went through was my section for my credit cards. And then this little note section is going to be where I keep my grocery list and my menu and grocery list is going to be here in this little note section. And in this section that says write it down, which is also a laminated die cut that I made, a laminated dashboard that I made, is going to be, what did I say I was going to write in the back section? Oh, my budget and spending. I'm going to keep that in the back. And then we get towards the end where I don't know why I put this in here. Get this out of here. That's the back side of the box. Some note paper. Mommy Lay. Love, love, love. So that is it, guys. I am so excited about my setup. I went through and looked for all my little cute paper. I went through all my little paper clips that I haven't been using and my little tassels that I haven't been using. And I made sure that I tested it to make sure nothing falls out because this is my wallet. And so far, so good. I will do another video once I add some pictures and more cute stuff to it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.